How to meditate properly, lessons from a master Roshi. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. How to meditate properly, lessons from a master Roshi. How to meditate properly. Easy steps for how to meditate properly. You will want to find a quiet and comfortable place to sit down. You can sit down anywhere, on the floor or on the chair. Your back must be straight. People say you shouldn't lie down because it's an easy way to fall asleep. If you can get away with it, then you can lie down if you wish. Breath normally. In and out. Pay attention to your breath. Focus on the air coming in through your nose, into your lungs, and back out. Focusing on your breath keeps your mind away from focusing on all the thoughts swirling in your mind. You will notice many thoughts coming in and out. The key here is to let them be. Do not push them away or hold on to them. Do not try and interpret them or make sense of them. Simply allow them to arise and go away as they do. You are the watcher. You are simply watching these thoughts. As time goes by, these thoughts will subside slowly, and eventually, you will have reached a state of no mind, where you have no thoughts. This is the blissful meditative state. That's it. Easy and simple meditation. Tips on how to meditate properly. Meditate for at least 20 minutes a day. It can take 10 minutes or more to quiet your mind. Do it daily. Be consistent with it. Meditation is not a pill to band-aid your issues. It is a way of life. Embrace the full power of meditation. You may not successfully meditate right off the bat, but it's okay. Understand it can take some time to get it. Keep at it. If you can only sit for 5 minutes, that's okay too. It's a start. Meditative music, like binaural beats or guided meditation, can be excellent for beginners or those with experience. Basically, they help put you in a meditative state faster and more efficiently, so you can benefit with longer sessions in a meditative state and deeper meditative states as well. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.